Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's episode, we're gonna show you guys how to set up a 9-foot trellis. Last year we did tremendously with the cucumbers and the bitter melon and the squash. We did really well with the squash. But this year we wanted to do much better. So we went out, we got some 9-foot trellis, and we're gonna show you guys how to put it together. Real simple, real easy. A kid could do it, right? And we're gonna show you guys where we're gonna install them and how good these things are gonna work for us in the summertime. So stick around with us. Let's go. All right, so these are the trellis. They come in 3 pieces. They come in a box. So I'm just gonna take them apart. It's much easier for you to work on the floor. That way you can put it together much faster. These trellis do not come in washers. So you might have to run out and get your own washers to put them in the back. It really helps. These are the hardware. These come inside of the box. You can see. You got the brackets. So if you want to put them on the wall, they go on the wall. If not, you got about 8" to stick it in the ground. And right now we're gonna fit this up. I already set up about 5 of them, so this process is not new to me. So we're gonna go. The reason for us getting this trellis is we wanted to yield as much cucumbers and much veggies as possible this year. And we wanted something big. The fact that we have more space to play with. All right, guys, it's gonna come with an Allen key. You use the Allen key in the back. And this is my ratchet. It don't come with no ratchet. You have to go out and get a ratchet. And it's much easier when you have the right tools to work with to set these things up. And just like that. See, if you don't get that washer in the back, this nut is gonna keep sliding all the way out. It could fit, but it's gonna give you a little bit of a trouble. And I believe you don't want that. So we're gonna do that on all 4 corners. And after that, we're gonna show you guys how to install them. Real simple. You know, it's better if you have 2 persons doing it, but it's just me. So you can definitely install it by yourself. You just gotta have all your tools right next to you. See, there we go. Put the Allen key on the other side and just ratchet this thing up and you're done. There we go. And we just lock this up, tighten it. You do that to all 4 corners, you're basically done. That's what I meant. The master, the kid could actually put this together. It's real simple. It's not difficult. And the bottom piece, same thing. You want to be careful with these brackets. You want to make sure you face them down. Like so. And there go that washer. These brackets really help because you get to screw it on the wall and it create an airflow coming up for the plants. It's really good. It's really good for the plants. There we go. Just like that. We are done. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna install this thing. Go. All right, that is it. When I say this thing is 9 foot, it's 9 foot. Check it out. This is exactly what I needed. I never had a trellis this big. The tallest I ever had was maybe 6 feet. So I appreciate this 9-footer. I'll put the link in the description where I got it from. All right, so we're gonna hook this up. Let's go. All right, guys, if you look behind me, I have 2 monster trellis on the wall. I already set these up earlier in the day, but I'm still gonna set up one so you guys can see how simple and easy it is to set up this giant trellis. Don't let this 9-foot trellis intimidate you. It's pretty simple to set up. It's nothing crazy, and to install it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how we did that earlier. So I'm gonna put the trellis up on the wall. I don't need to level it because I'm gonna put it right under the side end, so it can basically look like the other rest. Real simple to me. I'm gonna go right under there. Like I said earlier, it's real easy if you get some help, but I'm hard-headed. So I'm gonna do this alone. Alright, we got one screw there. Get the next one. All right, guys, that thing is already on the wall. I'm gonna screw over here, and I'm gonna screw that side. But what I need to do, you know what? I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna get some more screws in there, make sure everything is good. So here we go. Well, I got a pocket full of screws, so I'm good to go. I keep everything close by. When you're working alone, you want to make sure everything is ready for you. All right, that's in there, but I wanted to switch this out. I want to get my extension out, because those bracket kicks out about 2 inch. This extension about 2.5. So I'm gonna put that in and get the screw all the way in there. If you come close, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about with the extension. See, you need this to get that screw all the way in, just like that. It's nothing crazy. Same thing over here. There we go, at the top. We good, again. All right, guys, just like that. We just installed. If you look all the way down, we got 4 of them up right now. We did 3 earlier, and I just did that one, so you guys can, you know, go ahead and use it to your benefit. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna put a lot of cucumbers there, a lot of bitter melon. I want to double up. You see these garden beds from Virgo? This is for cucumbers. I'm not gonna put all dirt in there. I'm gonna put a lot of, if you come close, I already got cardboard inside this thing. I got cardboard in there. I'm gonna put some sticks, wood, leaves, all different stuff. A lot of organic matter. All right, I got 2 more to do. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by today, watching our video. We're going to keep bringing them this summer. And thank you so much. And we out. Woo.